This is the mess we are in right now. I'm telling you, this is how the house is looking at the moment. So yeah, this is the space. This is the space. This is the space. I was reading this book, Infinity Sun. It's a lovely one by Adam Silvera. So yeah, I'm almost done with it. I'm almost actually done with it. It's an easy read also. It's been pushing my night all through. So yeah, it's a beautiful one. My Pikachu here. So yes, I can't wait to move to the new house. Look, this is how we've been living. Yo, hey, and the shoes are on the other side. Look at that. Look at that. Yep, that's the situation. Hey friend, welcome in. This is where we share everyday vibes, tips, and little bit of fun along the way. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. So guys, this is how this makeup box that I got the other day turned out. I am so happy. I am impressed. So over here we have my bangles, some of the earrings that didn't fit where the earrings are supposed to be. I love this pair of earrings actually, guys. I can't wait to rock them. And yeah, so the previous whatever ones that I was showing you, this is how they look like. So I've just put them here. My bangle over here, someone told me they didn't see it properly and they wanted to see it. So here, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. I love it so much. So yeah, that's how I've put these ones over there. My lipsticks, if you know me, I'm a Joanna K girl. I don't know how but I know they ship abroad to this side. So if they get finished, especially this one is almost done because I've loved it so much. My rings, of course, they're here. I love them. I love them. I love them. So on this side, I have the lash treatment serum that I got from TikTok shop. This one is a bronzer, which is two-sided. It's two in one. This side and this side is this shade. I already tried to mess it up. So yeah, and lip gloss. It's a colored lip gloss from NK. Yep. So on this other side, this is how it looks with this face massager, and my eyeshadows. This side we have the whatever beauty blenders, the small ones. They're so tiny. The camera is not doing justice to them. They're so tiny, guys. These ones I use to blend under my eyes and everything. These are a lip balm for softer lips. Yeah, and those are the whatever to apply the powder and all of that. This side we have my earrings. This is how they look. These are fake. Don't get pressured, guys. These are fake Bottega earrings. I can't wait to buy the original ones. These are fake. These are dupes, guys. These are dupes, but I'm not complaining. They are serving the purpose, of course. So there's no difference. I saw some in TK Maxx. They look exactly like this. So I wonder. I might not buy the original ones because I know they're so pricey. The original Bottega earrings. Anyway, so this one already I've lost a pair. I don't know where it got. I also got it the other day. Yeah, it's 2 in 1, so I can take I can wear it as a stud. Yeah, and just like this. So yeah, on this other side we have the extra lipsticks that I got the other day. You saw them. I showed you. I got them from TikTok shop. These are highlighter, of course. So this is what I've been using on my eyebrows, to freeze them, to keep them, to make them stay for long. So yeah, this is the applicator, the brush that I use to apply to apply on the eyebrows and all of that. I don't want to spoil things here, guys. The foundation that I've been using, guys, someone asked me, what foundation do you use? I use this Infallible L'Oreal. I got my color. It fits my skin so perfectly. I might be using it for the longest time until I get something else. So yeah, and the concealer, this is the concealer that I use. It's super bright, like it's brighter than the foundation. So if you're a makeup girly, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, the beauty blender over there. So I normally use these are the normal beauty blenders that I use. This is just an extra one. I got many of them, so these are the everyday use. They couldn't fit in this makeup box, so I'm just going to leave them here. Yep, underneath here we have my lip pencils. Definitely I got them from TikTok shop. I don't know how many they are, but I think there are 12. It's a dozen. Yeah, there are 12 lip pencils. Yeah, and the clear mascara and the black mascara. So generally that's it. I love the earrings, especially this pair, the Bottega and these ones. So yeah guys, that's how everything turned out. I'm so happy with it. So this one is a blush. Also I got it from TikTok shop. It's a very nice blush. If you've seen me wearing it, so you know what I'm talking about. That's how everything turned out. The extra, the remaining makeup, whatever, eye pencil, eye brushes, whatever, here they are. So yeah, and some of the things that didn't fit. These are a spray, primer. This is what I put on my face during the day and during the night. These are extra beauty blenders and the things that didn't fit. Definitely, if you're a girly, you need these gloves for your exfoliation. And for the powder, for the face setting, whatever setting powder, I bought this one, and let me tell you, it is working magic. It is working wonders, guys. So yeah, basically these are my whatever beauty products, everything here. And I got this beautiful thing from, let me show you, from TikTok shop. It's to store my glasses. Yeah, my shades. So it folds so well, guys. It is folding so well that I can easily travel with it. So yeah, that's how it looks, guys. That's how it looks basically. So yeah, that's it. On to the next. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Robbie, and if you're a returning subscriber, man, thank you so much for clicking. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. Yo, how are you guys doing? I've missed you guys. Yo, it's been long. Anyways, whew. There's this car that is being sold over here. Watu wanaiangalia. It's a very, I don't know about cars by the way, but yeah, it's on sale. So the amount of time nimekuwa nikisimama hapa, the number of people that have come to check this car out is countless, man. Now, I've been here for only 15 minutes na kila mtu anaiangalia tu. It's a beautiful car. It's in good condition, I can tell. So yeah, it's on sale. I don't know if I can zoom, but I'll show you the details. This is the car. I've told you the number of people who have come to check this car out. So if you are a car person, you know what that means. That's the contact over there. Chukua, piga simu. But 3,250 pounds, man, I'm telling you, hii ni pesa umetosha kununua shamba. Ama yeah, I think yeah, umetosha kununua shamba, but it's in a very good condition. It's still new. It's still so nice. Let me show you the number plate. That's how it looks. It's a Mercedes Benz. Yeah. Bathroom. This is how it looks. I love this space right here. I can sink over there. Bed. So that's how that looks.
I begin to
You're mine for sure.